In today's video, I'll show you how to list your property on Agoda in just a few minutes. Whether it's a cozy home, boutique hotel, or unique space, getting your property on Agoda connects you with travelers worldwide. Start by opening your browser and searching for Agoda Partner Hub. Log in with your account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, go to your profile and click List a Property. You can either import an existing listing from another platform or create a new one manually. If you import, just paste the link to your current listing. For a manual listing, specify your property type, category, and whether you're listing one or multiple units. Next, add your property details, location, amenities, number of rooms, pricing, photos, and any extras that make your property stand out. A strong profile helps attract the right guests. Finally, click Publish. Agoda will review your listing, and once approved, it will go live for travelers to book. And that's it, your property is now ready to welcome guests from around the world. Happy hosting!